Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook turkey wings. First, ensure your turkey wings are completely thawed if they were frozen. Next, pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving that desirable crispy skin. Finally, season them generously with your preferred blend of herbs and spices, making sure to coat all surfaces for maximum flavor. This initial preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. There are several fantastic ways to cook turkey wings, each offering unique textures and flavors. Roasting them in the oven is a classic choice, yielding tender meat and wonderfully crispy skin. For incredibly moist, fall-off-the-bone results, braising is an excellent method, slowly cooking them in liquid. Alternatively, using a slow cooker provides a hands-off approach, developing rich, deep flavors with minimal effort throughout the day. For perfectly roasted turkey wings, begin by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 190 degrees Celsius. Arrange the seasoned wings on a baking sheet and roast them for approximately 1.5 to 2 hours. You'll know they're done when they're golden brown and, most importantly, when an instant-read thermometer inserted into the thickest part registers 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. If you choose to braise, start by searing the wings in a hot pan to develop a deep, rich color and flavor before adding liquid. Then, simmer them gently with aromatic vegetables and a flavorful broth until they are incredibly tender. When serving, consider pairing your turkey wings with creamy mashed potatoes or fluffy rice. These sides are perfect for soaking up all the delicious, savory gravy created during the cooking process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.